Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Happy Plug Joy with your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then you need to go to the settings. After that, all you need to do is just open the charging case. Your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see them as a device list. If your earbuds connected with another device, you need to disconnect or unpair it. So, right now, at the device list, click Connect near to your earbuds. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!